Galaxy Watch 3 is described by Samsung as a next-generation companion for managing your routines, smashing your fitness goals, and taking ownership over your health, while sporting Samsung's most expansive health suite yet. Welcome to this device review on the Galaxy Watch 3. I'm Charlie Wills reporting for Tech City. Let's get right into it. I have here a 41mm model on Gorilla Glass with a stainless steel finish and 20mm premium leather strap in Mystic Black, as well as a 45mm model with a 22mm strap for people who may prefer a bigger size. Could not be me though. As a matter of fact, the 41mm model feels a little heavy for my wrist size and girth at 48 grams, even though it feels comfortable. More so, with 10 notches on its leather strap for just about any girth, the device is making a statement that wrist sizes matter. The screen, which certainly is the most important aspect of this smartwatch, sports an impressive AMOLED display with slim bezels to give enough room to utilize its responsive touchscreen on its 1.2-inch and 1.4-inch screen sizes for both models respectively. What's more is that you can count on its rotating bezel in navigating apps and widgets in a super efficient yet fashionable mode. I'm actually excited to see that Samsung stuck to the rotating bezel, which was virtualized in the Samsung Active 2. Navigation is not limited to the Smart Touch and Rotate function, but in fact aided by two physical buttons which are quite different in design but work in unison to either take you to previous using the top button or to next using the lower one. With a host of features as sample tasks you ideally will carry out on your smartphone, like responding to messages and controlling your music, this smart device features a built-in microphone and speakers to take calls directly from the watch, which I think may be excused if you were recreating your favorite sci-fi movie. What's this instead? Copy and over. The device comes with pre-installed watch faces with an option to download from the online store direct from the internet without having to go via your smartphone. I reckon you download them on your phone. Most of the watch faces are customizable and you can tweak and change colors of the watch face. You can customize your watch face by pressing, holding, and then scrolling to see all sorts of analog and digital options. Whichever your selection of watch face, the display gives you an option of just the right amount of brightness you need to suit your preference and, by logical extension, lighting condition for whether indoors or outdoors. By way of tech things in a manner of speak, the Galaxy Watch 3 is an advanced version of its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch. And just so you understand how much of this advancement, I'm talking a bump in RAM size from 768 MB to 1 GB, double storage capacity from 4 GB to 8 GB, and Bluetooth 5.0 from the preceding Bluetooth 4.2. And that's on music, movies, work routines, and more. The only thing that'll be topping that is its expansive health suite that has got you covered in everything relating to smashing your fitness goals. This fitness wheel features a calorie counter with a daily target step counter that presents you the option to compare your weekly step count with friends, record your water or caffeine intake, and a dedicated weight management catalog that is encompassing. In the same vein, the responsibility of taking ownership over your health is made a whole lot easier for you to monitor 24/7 stress levels alongside your heart rate and blood oxygen sensors, which are essential pointers on how to manage your overall well-being. So, did you see when to take that break from strenuous work activities, or when to spike up your activity levels like taking the stairs or walking uphill, which helps you record as a separate target? More so, the Galaxy Watch 3 features a new addition in form of a built-in GPS detection monitor that will notify your emergency contact with your GPS location when you trip or fall. In my Galaxy Buds Live review, I discussed the ability to work out wearing your earbuds thanks to its IPX2 water-resistant feature. But the Galaxy Watch 3 gives this even more meaning because not only can you work out wearing your wristwatch thanks to its IP68 water-resistant feature, but there's also a massive catalog of fitness sessions to choose from. Although for workout purposes, I would have preferred a rubber strap to a leather one, just as the Active 2 watch, considering how sweaty your wrist could get during workout. We can't talk about fitness and general well-being and not include sleep as one of the pillars, which in fact is an essential pillar, contrary to the enemy is being painted as these days. And if you want to use the first generation Galaxy Watch, Samsung has included additional health and fitness features to automatically track the number of hours you are asleep and the details on your sleep patterns, like the number of calories burnt during your sleep time, which from a point of personal discovery is almost as much as I would burn from activity. It's established, guys, sleep is essential to losing weight. And if you couldn't get around accomplishing what you may term a rigorous workout in the morning, the suite offers you related content on wake up and full body stretches that you could try out indoors. And on the other spectrum of things, meditation apps in case you had trouble with sleeping. There's so much you could do on the Galaxy Watch 3, but how efficient is its battery capacity? The 41mm model hosts a 247 mAh battery, and regarding battery life, I would say it's good enough to get you through the day and a full night's sleep, with options to explore power-saving modes. Charging is made easy with its charging dock, with an option of wireless power share along with a Samsung phone that supports it. But charging using that method could be very finicky regarding where and how you place the watch to charge. Total charge time should take 2 hours plus, and if you were wondering, the 45mm model, which hosts a 340 mAh battery, should take about 2 hours 15 minutes plus in charge time. From major to not so major upgrades to a sleek UI, an expansive health suite that delivers pretty accurate results, and a fashionable watch model that you can rock anywhere and in any outfit, we could say that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 doesn't fall short of its next generation status. So if you're thinking of picking up any of these, the 41mm model goes for a price of $399, while its LTE model goes for a price of $429. Its 45mm model, on the other hand, goes for a price of $449, while its LTE version goes for a price of $479.